What's up guys, it's Joshua here, and I finally got my hands on OPPO's latest flagship, the OPPO Find X5 Pro, which Bernard got his hand on during his Barcelona trip. And this is the latest addition to the OPPO Find X3 Pro last year. And I'm quite impressed with the OPPO Find X3 Pro. So let's see how this OPPO Find X5 Pro does. And guys, this is just a first impression video because I just got the phone for a week now and just try on some of the camera features. So hopefully I got to do a more in-depth review soon. At first glance, I think most of you guys will be somewhat like me, feel like the design was like so not so good looking. But after using it for a week, it looks quite premium lah. This time its curved edge looks more muscular than the previous model. You get the OPPO and Hasselblad label imprinted here too. I'm pretty excited to see how the camera works with the Hasselblad collaboration here. For your info, the Hasselblad collaboration here is to make the picture quality, the colors of the picture more realistic rather than a more saturated colors out of your pictures. And the color variant that we got on this OPPO Find X5 Pro here is the ceramic white color, which has a pretty nice texture back cover here. Like that. Now on the display here is no joke guys. It is a 6.7-inch LTPO2 AMOLED display with a QHD+ resolution and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Scrolling around the screen is super smooth thanks to the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, which will go as low as 1Hz when it is not needed to save battery life. The color sharpness is superb thanks to the HDR10+ and also the 10-bit color support. But the only one nitpick that we felt is on the brightness level, because on auto brightness it only can go up to 760 nits, which for this price point, as for the performance, it comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, 12GB of RAM with 7GB of virtual RAM expansion and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. But there's no expandable storage now. So the performance of this phone, it's excellent. It works smoothly, it works well on gaming, but it does feel warm after a while of gaming with Genshin Impact, but it's still manageable. And here are some Geekbench score for your reference. The speakers works quite well too, with dual speaker setup on the bottom and also on the top that doubles up as the earpiece as well.
The enemy is out there. They are very powerful. Show the sky people that they cannot take whatever they want. He'll try to kill you.
Now on cameras, you have a dual Sony IMX766 50MP main camera and a 50MP ultra wide camera on the back to go with a 30MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and up to 5x hybrid zoom. Now although the cameras seem similar to the OPPO Find X3 Pro, but the image processing is way better thanks to the dual OIS setup on the rear and also the new MariSilicon X NPU chip. Daylight pictures are pretty sharp in detail and the coloring is also close to what we see through our eyes. Portrait shots are also nice with good separation around the subject. The ultra wide can also work as a close-up shot on the macro mode. What really impressed me are the night shot. Because of the new MariSilicon X NPU chip here, it really levels up the whole clarity and quality of the night shot. As you can see here, the noise is super low and the colors are not overly saturated. It also looks close to what we would see in real life. Video here supports up to 4K 60 frames per second and stabilization is good. Even though I'm running, you won't feel that dizziness and shakiness in the video. Night video also performs quite well. Here's a sample of it. For the battery, it has a 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt of supercharge that can charge up from 0 to 50% in just 12 minutes. Now for a full day of use in a single charge is not a problem, but if you're heavy on cameras, then you have to charge it at night lah. So that's all for today. Personally, I really feel that this OPPO Find X5 Pro is a competitor with all the flagship out there, especially if you are those who are looking for a camera-centric phone, because the photos and videos are really nice even on the night shot and also the night videos. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this OPPO Find X5 Pro, and I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.